dapat dito.
Pupunta tayo sa mala Starbucks na library. So, mukhang Starbucks, meron din Starbucks. Reach the light to come in. Dito tayo masyadong gugamit ng air. Ito pa.
The department budget. So
Actually, we have 3 specific areas that we can go. Consultation areas. So, on the other side, 6th floor. Okay, 6th floor. And other subscriptions, active users of all the resources. We have a lot of data. So, maybe we can show an example.
Ubus na. Time check, it's already 1:07 p.m. and 1:30 ako susunduin. So, you know, ang ganda na tong duo na to. It's highlight plus contour or bronzer. Shabe. Hi, I'm with Shobe, and today we're gonna eat ramenagi. Ramenagi.
You look like that.
What?
I have a picture like there, like you, like her.
I don't want. I'm shy.
Ay, iyak ka pa dyan.
Hi vlog, welcome to my YouTube channel.
You got a double chin there on your laugh. So funny.
I'm reminding you may wood mushroom dito.
Here at Ramenagi. Shobe. Great. Gutom na.
Utang kaya ko sa'yo,
Ha?
kasi gusto ko talaga nito.
Sa dati ng water. Sa flow machine.
Yes.
Lo. This was my haircut during, this, I have bangs, diba? In grade 6.
Yeah. You look like. Stay there. I will find something.
Okay.
Hindi siya straight, pero hindi ka lang alam ano dyan. Straight. Clear. Para, I mean, bye to bye na usually. Sana, no? Handa ako.
Ay, tara na!
Gulo ng bogo.
Sana nakuha mo yung bote mo. Plastic.
Guys.
Na ganyan. Ginulit.
sobrang wait lang. Ba't ang nililimos? Ayos.
Wala ka na, doon ka na.
Iba-ibang restaurant, doon na mo TV, LDS.
Hi guys. Anong date ngayon?
Ano na, tubig doon daw to. Ang gusto.
Dapat Starbucks lang kami.
Nabaikat na kasi yung Starbucks guys.
BLK naman. Medyo wala na. Yung bango ah. Hi guys, so it's already 12:43 p.m. and I'm currently editing the video, my vlog. Yeah. Tapos, mamaya may a-attendant akong debut around QC. And, ayun, mga 2 p.m. mag-ready na ako. I mean, maliligo na ako. Kasi, matagal ako magkayos.
Hihingi siya. Bahala siya.
Kelly.
Lopez. Thank you very much. And sa lahat ng Easy Shop on stage,